I know you want to tap mommy's laptop. No, no, no. Not allowed. Not allowed. Mommy's working. Please don't touch it. I know your plan. I know your plan, baby. Opo, bawal po i-touch. No, no. Oh, wag yung keyboard. Ay, sis, gusto i-touch. Not the keyboard of mommy. When I say no, don't do it. No. Say silab. Ay, sis. Ay! No? No po. Diyan ka lang. Not this one, okay? Not this. Don't touch it. No, no, no.